Half-ball sports.
Hello everybody and welcome to another video from Half-ball Sports of how to make a jump. I'm Himmat Singh. I'm Kian Strenn.
And I'm Jetner Welch.
Enjoy.
We're just making one mound, like that.
First things first, dig a hole and start shoveling the dirt onto the spot that you want to make it. So when you're making your jump, you gotta decide where the start and jump is and the landing, and then you're gonna have to build it. First add dirt, then pack it down. And you want it to be even, and you do not want this to be too steep. You want a smooth incline. Depending on the jump you want, you don't want this to be too steep, but you also don't want it to be too shallow.
Add water to make sure it doesn't get destroyed when you ride over it.
It's very sandy.
And don't go riding over it right away or else it'll
Right.
just go right through.
Now the jump is finished for now. We're gonna ride over it and see if we need to adjust it at all.
I hate that. We should really get rid of that jump, I think.
So that didn't go well. We're gonna have to destroy this jump. Sorry, jump. You were a great jump. We made you. You're dead now. Everybody, thanks for watching. And a couple of outtakes. Make sure not to make the jumps too close to each other, and don't make it so that when you jump, you're flying straight into a berm. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. We are
Half-ball sports.